Hi there, guys and gals. Good afternoon. Come over here. I'm so hungry. Let's have some lunch. Late lunch. And of course, you want? Zip it. Tinolang manok. The best and delicious in the whole damn world. Come on, guys and gals. As you can see, I just take a bath. And so hungry. Come over here, guys and gals. Be the first one to bite. Be the first one to taste. Swallow it. Oh my god. Fantastic. Love it. Bye for now.